Good evening everyone. This is Ajit Chand Bhandari representing economicnerd.blogspot.com. Today I'll be giving you some stocks which will follow the same trend of Bank Nifty tomorrow, and we'll be doing detailed analysis of Bank Nifty. Today's date is 4th May 2020 and the time of recording is 9:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Risk disclosure: we are not SEBI registered analysts. Views expressed here are for our record purposes only. Please consult your personal financial advisor before investing. We are not responsible for your financial gains or losses whatsoever. We have selected Bank Nifty out of the stocks listed below. We are expecting all of these to follow the same trend of Bank Nifty. Nifty is futures and option index and rest are equities. Nifty closed at 8961.05, ACC closed at 1126.8, Adani ENT closed at 131.55, Adani Ports closed at 266.35, Adani Power closed at 29.85, Apollo Hospitals closed at 1371.75, Apollo Tyre closed at 88.75, Ashok Leyland closed at 49.3, Bajaj Auto closed at 2442.15. This is a technical view on Bank Nifty. We'll be discussing on Bank Nifty day chart. We are expecting a gap down tomorrow morning. The current market price is 19,678 and we are expecting this bearish trend to continue for some more time. If it cracks 19,080 and closes below this, then we may see a bearish trend for some more days to come. We have checked parabolic SAR and stochastics even on 3-hour and 4-hour time frames, and they have confirmed a bearish trend. As you can see, this is Bank Nifty day chart. I have taken two indicators. One is parabolic SAR and other is stochastics. Parabolic SAR has gone above the candle, confirming a bearish trend, and so has the stochastics confirming. We are expecting that it will be bearish until stochastics touch 15.89 level in stochastics. The main problem I am expecting that it may start is if it closes below 19,280 levels. We may see a very good bearish trend in near future. Tomorrow I am expecting that Bank Nifty will give a gap down in the morning and will move very slowly throughout the day. These are my entries, stop loss and targets. The current market price is 19,678. Sell below 19,643. Stop loss at 19,799. Target 1 at 19,420 and target 2 at 19,303. If you like this video, please like, share and do give comments. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get updates the moment we upload them. Thank you.